Yellow, not green. Si Zelda puro green. Green. Ang cute oh. Bagay ito kay Zelda. Hanap lang tayo na patatas. Potatoes. Now just get one. Hi everyone, welcome back sa aming channel. So papunta kami ngayon sa Walmart. Of course, this is our grocery shopping day. Dumating to si Mr. kagabi. So ayun lang naman ang aming gagawin. Bukas baka driving lessons. Pero mukhang uulan bukas, so hindi pa rin sure. Gallstones. Dito na kami sa Walmart, guys. Who said that?
I don't know, I just heard it somewhere.
Ulit kami sa mga toys. Sinabihan ko na si Mr. na wag na silang bilhan ng toys, ayaw magpaawat. $2 lang naman daw. About Zelda? So, ayan yung mga biniling toys nito. Winnie the Pooh. Si Zeta ay cheetah.
Still want the item.
Late na kami nakaalis sa bahay. Magpo 4 PM na. Kasi tinamad akong bumay. Tingnan, napakaingay ni Zelda. Zelda, quiet! Quiet! Hi, ate. Can you wave hi? Can you say hi to them? Say hi, guys. No. Kumuha kami ng fried chicken. Yan ang aming dinner. Para hindi na magluto mamaya. Right, Zelda? Naghahanap ng screw si Mr. What are you gonna do if you see a bear while we're walking on the forest? What are you gonna say? With a bear. Stop! Go away, bear! Stop! Naghahanap kami ng small na fridge. Yung maliit lang siya. Kaya nga small na fridge naman. Waffle maker. Parang wala ata sila. Ice maker. Love this one. Here. Oh. Zelda. Love the Zelda needs diapers because we didn't get one last week. This, what color is this? Yellow. Yellow, not green. Si Zelda puro green. Green. Ang cute oh. Bagay ito kay Zelda. Green. Ay, yellow. Green tuloy. Zeta, sit down. Cute. That's too small for you, ate. $5 lang. Kunin ko kaya ito. Green. That's not green. It's yellow. Yellow.
Not green.
Not green. It's
Red.
That's red. Not red, baby. It's yellow. So, bumili kami ng maliit na fridge para sa gabi kay Zelda kasi umiinom na siya ng whole milk kahit walang halong walang halong formula milk, which is good para makatipid na. So, hindi na kami bibili ng formula milk for Zelda. But what are we gonna do if we're going out? How are we gonna pack her milk? Snacks lang. Where's the... Yan. Yung snacks nila, Gerber Puffs. Kuha na tayo ng milk. Ayan yung whole milk ni Zelda.
I think we need two.
Yeah, maybe. Maple Hill yung brand. Yan yung gusto ni Zelda. So si Mr. nagpaplano na siya magbawas ng carbs kasi daw tumataas na yung timbang niya. So more on protein na siya. Pero ako syempre, rice pa rin. Dito na tayo sa mga meat area. Wala masyadong tao ngayon dito sa Walmart. Konti lang. Kasi hapon. And Friday ngayon. Hindi naman
One?
weekend. No. Ay, yeah. Kami ng juice. Magpapalit. How about grapefruit? It's good. This one, grapefruit.
They're not gonna like it.
I know what grapefruit is. What? Oh, yeah. White grape. Kasi lagi kaming apple juice. Parang nagsawa na ako sa apple juice. Kuha tayo ng snacks ni Zeta. And goldfish. I'm gonna get goldfish. Goldfish for ate. Where's the, chocolate bear? Here. Teddy Grahams. We call it chocolate bear. Now I'm gonna get my chocolates.
Caramel coconut.
Ha? What's that? I don't like that. It's too sweet. Chocolates. Oh, no, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Good job. Say no, 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 no. Meron silang ganito. Chicharrones. Fried pork rinds. Parang walang lasa. Ano na ito? Tostones chips. Tostones. Ano? Plantain. What is?
It is my happy.
Butterfly pastries. So, ito naman tayo ngayon sa mga pasta. So far, ito pa lang ang laman ng aming cart. Baka konti lang yung papamilhin namin ngayong week. Para makatipid-tipid. Si Zelda, kumakain na siya ng spaghetti. First time namin siya binigyan few days ago. Nagustuhan naman niya. Kuha ako ng aking shock-shock. Yung mga shock-shock ko ay nasira niya. $5.48. Mahal naman. So, ito ba yung presyo na? Parang mas gusto ko kung isa. Klase. Look, oh, there are nice clips. $8.88.
Nice clips.
Nice. This is shock. These are clips. Is it nice? Nice shock. Can you hold it for a moment?
How? Clips.
Clips. Oh, that's enough. Let's go back to Zelda and Bella. Tuloy tayo sa bread section.
Ooh.
Oops, don't touch. Don't touch.
Ooh.
Like that. Ooh. Okay. Hanap naman tayo na patatas. Potatoes. Medyo dumami-dami na yung ating laman ng cart. Kaya andito na si Zeta. Walking na siya. Lakas ng music nila. Meron silang mangoes. Try natin. Tagal na rin namin hindi nakakabili ng mangga. Tapos syempre hindi mawala ang grapes, strawberries. Zeta! So yan, kumukuha si Miss Della. Grapes, tsaka strawberries. Kasama si Zeta. Now, just get one. Nung mga nakaraang week kasi laging dalawang klaseng grapes yung kinukuha niya, green tsaka yung purple. Eh, hindi namin nauubos. Kaya sabi ko, isa na lang. Not just one.
Having extra.
Kasi minsan na cherries. Favorite namin yung tatlo eh. Zeta, Zelda, and Mama. Cherries. Zeta! You might drop this. Mahirap talaga pagka may toddler din kasama pag nag-grocery. Yung mga kamay. Pati ito si Zeta. Maganda yung kanilang mga cherries na yun. Tama si Zeta, kumain na ng grapes. Ayun yung cherries. Gato. Kumain na siya ng cherries. Ay, ng grapes. Cherries pa pala. Kasi yan yung favorite ni parehas nila. Zeta. So, not good. Meron na daw mga molds. Okay guys, ito yung laman ng aming cart. Plus yung mga bata. So ayan guys, dahil na kaming mamili dito sa Walmart. It's 4:58 PM. So yung total lang na pamili namin ngayon is less than $300, $296 and some cents. Dahil nga hindi na kami bumili ng formula ni Zelda. Kasi before, isang malaki at isang maliit yung binibili namin. So nasa ano din yun, $75 mga ganon. And syempre, dahil hindi na siya umiinom ng formula and umiinom na transition na namin siya sa whole milk, mas nakatipid na kami, which is yun, maganda. What's that? Let me try that. Kombucha.
It's open already.
It doesn't taste good. What? Healthy. I don't like it.
I knew you were drunk. But you know, you can pick out your own drink and you don't. So,
I don't know what you were doing a while ago. But I want is ice cream.
sometimes I don't do things because you're not doing the thing. But then I'm like, but then I'm not gonna do anything ever. So.
Pauwi na kami.